Now you start your social media marketing agency and you want to get your first client. How do you do that? So the best way to do this is essentially looking at the audience you have right now. Now, what do I mean by this? You guys have social media channels, you guys have friends, you guys have connections with network. Utilize that. That's the first place you should be looking at. Before you even pick up the phone, start dialing, before you even send out cold emails, anything. You want to look within your network and literally just go up to your friends, go in your social profiles. I actually made a pretty good video. I want you to watch this after this video on how you can utilize your social profiles in order to get potential clients. Essentially, utilize your social profiles to maximum potential. Start talking about you building your social media marketing agency. Start talking about why is social media marketing really important for the business, and the what and the why. Essentially what this is you talk about what to do, what strategies to do, and why to do them. Not how, what, and why. That's super important. Remember these questions. So with this pen right now, right? If I would go up to a business owner, somebody who's in business, if I'd want to sell him the pen, I'd talk about the importance of this pen in signing deals. That's something really important for them. The same thing over here. If you're, for example, your main niche would be real estate agents, you could create a new social profile where you would talk about what marketing strategies real estate agents should do and why should they do them. You can do this like in a similar sense that I'm doing right now. Make some videos, post them on your Facebook page, post them on your Instagram page. Just provide value. Value without asking anything back. This is super cliche, but it's cliche for a reason. Then once you have that out, once you have that sorted out, you want to start gathering leads. So step number one is to start pushing out posts which make the people engage. By this I mean you write a valuable post, and at the end comment leads. If you wanna learn how, if you wanna build a funnel for yourself to get leads, then you have your people from your target audience starting to push in posts, starting comments, starting to engage with you, and essentially you can take them to DM. You can send them to a ClickFunnels link, which is actually, like, guys, check out the link in the top link in the bio, not in the bio, but the description. It is a ClickFunnels link which is gonna help you get a 14-day free trial, and as well with that, give you a funnel which helps you gather leads from your actual existing followers, social media, friends on social media. But yeah, back to this topic. Once you have gathered leads, you want to schedule meetings with them. When in meetings you sell, get them either on a free trial, get them going on a regular package, whatever you want to call it, and from then on, boom, you've gotten your first client. Now I did make it sound much simpler than it is, but seriously, like, utilize what's within your reach right now. Utilize that. Now, if you don't have any friends that own businesses or any friends of friends that own businesses, only then pick up the phone, start dialing, go to LinkedIn, utilize cold emails, all of that stuff. You want to be doing that. And with phone, it's more or less like a numbers game. And guys, with anything you do, any outreach method you do, anybody who you sell to, when you're first meeting, do not sell the service, sell the meeting. Now again, this is the most crucial mistake everybody makes. And within cold calls and cold emails, like scripts, even in like courses that cost thousands, they make this simple mistake. They're selling the service, not the meeting. What do I mean by this? A good example would be a cold call. When you would call the business owner or the marketing manager, you would speak something in lines of this.
Hello, my name is Reinis, and I own a social media marketing agency in Riga, Latvia, and we help businesses acquire leads, and we help real estate agents acquire leads, and we do this with Facebook ads. So would you like to do?
Well, something in lines of that. That's garbage. That's garbage. You don't get their interest. You're just like, okay, this is what I provide, and they're just gonna say no. That's it. But yeah, hopefully this video was valuable for you. Now, guys, if you're just starting out, if you're just starting out, you want to get your first client, I made a really good video going in depth on a really, really good called Email Strategy. The link should be up here. Go check that out. And thank you guys for watching. Peace.